A snapshot from Mars has rocked the scientific world, forever changing how we think about the red planet. The Jezero crater is proving to be one of the most exciting locations in our search for extraterrestrial life, a place where NASA's Perseverance rover has just uncovered something truly groundbreaking. Real signs that life might have existed on Mars are emerging, and scientists are buzzing with excitement. Why is this discovery so crucial? How does it impact the future of space exploration? Today, we'll dive into this mind-blowing revelation that reshapes not only our understanding of Mars but also of ourselves and our place in the vast universe. Let's rewind for a moment. Why is humanity so fascinated with this dusty, barren wasteland of a planet? Compared to Earth, alive with its blue oceans, lush forests, and thriving ecosystems, Mars appears desolate, with endless deserts, canyons, and an ominous red hue. It seems more like the setting of a dystopian novel than a potential cradle of life. But here's the thing, Mars wasn't always like this. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, Mars had liquid water, an essential ingredient for life as we know it. If there was water, there might have been life. This tantalizing possibility drives our obsession with the red planet. Jezero crater, where Perseverance is exploring, is a treasure trove for scientists. Billions of years ago, this crater was home to a massive lake and a river delta, an environment ripe for life. On Earth, similar environments teem with microbial life, making Jezero a prime location to search for ancient signs of life. NASA's Perseverance rover landed here in February 2021, equipped with the most advanced tools ever sent to another planet. Its mission? To sniff out clues of ancient microbial life preserved in the rocks and soil of this once lush environment. Now, let's get to the exciting part. Perseverance has found in Martian rocks. On Earth, organic molecules are the building blocks of life, linked to the existence of living organisms. While these molecules don't directly confirm life, their presence suggests something extraordinary. Even more fascinating, the organic molecules Perseverance found are a detail that points to more advanced chemical processes. They were discovered in sedimentary rocks, the type that forms in watery environments and is excellent at preserving traces of ancient life. Think of them as time capsules, potentially holding secrets from Mars' wetter, warmer past. Over the years, evidence of water on Mars has accumulated. Ancient riverbeds, underground ice, and minerals like clays and sulfates, all point to a watery past. Jezero crater's lake bed, in particular, might have been an oasis for life billions of years ago. The discovery of these organic molecules in combination with evidence of water is a compelling clue that Mars might once have been alive in its own way. The next step is even more thrilling. Scientists believe Perseverance might uncover. These tiny creatures, if they existed, could have left their mark in the form of microscopic fossils, preserved in Martian rocks for billions of years. Perseverance is equipped with cutting-edge tools like the which uses ultraviolet lasers to analyze rock chemistry. It's like a cosmic crime scene investigation, searching for signs of ancient life hidden in the layers of rock. If Mars was once a habitable world, what happened to it? How did it go from a planet of lakes and rivers to the barren wasteland we see today? The answer lies in Mars' lack of a protective magnetic field. Over time, solar winds stripped away its atmosphere, causing water to evaporate or freeze. This drastic change turned Mars into the freezing desert it is today. By studying the rocks and soil in Jezero crater, Perseverance is helping scientists piece together this story. Understanding Mars' transformation could offer valuable insights into the fragility of planetary ecosystems, including our own on Earth. The idea that life might have existed on Mars is not just exciting, it's transformative. If Mars had life, even in its simplest forms, it suggests that life could be more common in the universe than we think. Planets like Europa and Enceladus, moons with hidden oceans beneath their icy surfaces, suddenly seem like promising candidates for life as well. This discovery also fuels our dreams of colonizing Mars. If we understand its history and resources, we can better prepare for future human settlements on the red planet. Knowing how Mars lost its atmosphere might even help us protect Earth's environment. Perseverance's discoveries have captured the world's imagination. The stunning images it sends back show a desolate yet strangely beautiful landscape. The possibility of ancient life has ignited conversations, inspired young scientists, and made space exploration feel more accessible to everyone. Perseverance is just the beginning. NASA and other space agencies are planning missions to bring Martian rock samples back to Earth for detailed analysis. These samples could finally provide definitive proof of life on Mars, or at least help us understand the planet's fascinating history. Mars, a planet once thought to be a lifeless desert, is revealing secrets that challenge everything we know about life and the universe. Each discovery by Perseverance brings us closer to answering profound questions about our existence. Are we alone? What is our place in the cosmos? The search for life on Mars is more than just a scientific endeavor, it's a reminder of our shared curiosity, our drive to explore, and our desire to understand the unknown. As we uncover the mysteries of Mars, we're also learning about ourselves, our planet, and our future. The story of Mars is far from over, and with each step, humanity inches closer to unraveling one of the greatest mysteries of all time. So, keep your eyes on the red planet, because the discoveries yet to come might just blow our minds. Imagine a lonely desert world, tinged in shades of red and orange, where whispers of water flow and hints of life linger in its rocky embrace. Mars, our closest neighbor in the cosmos, has captivated human imagination for centuries. From the early musings of astronomers imagining canals built by Martians to today's sophisticated rover missions, we've always sought to unlock the mysteries of this enigmatic planet. Recently, a groundbreaking discovery by NASA's Perseverance rover has electrified scientists and dreamers alike. Could this be the turning point in our quest to find life beyond Earth? Before we dive into this remarkable discovery, let's rewind and understand why Mars has always been the focal point of our cosmic curiosity. Mars has always had a special allure. It's the fourth planet from the Sun and about half the size of Earth. With its rust-red hue visible to the naked eye, it's no wonder ancient civilizations named it after their gods of war. But it's not just its striking appearance that fascinates us. Mars holds tantalizing clues about its past, a past that may have included conditions strikingly similar to those on Earth. Billions of years ago, Mars was not the dry, barren world we see today. It likely had a thick atmosphere, flowing rivers, vast lakes, and even oceans. In many ways, it was Earth-like, a planet teeming with potential. Scientists believe that Mars and Earth may have started their journeys as planetary siblings. Both planets were born from the same cosmic nursery, but their destinies diverged. Understanding what went wrong on Mars might help us protect Earth's fragile ecosystems. Was it the loss of its magnetic field? Did solar winds strip away its atmosphere? Or did something else contribute to its transformation into a frozen desert? Water is essential for life as we know it. Over the years, various Mars missions have revealed compelling evidence of water in its past. From ancient riverbeds to polar ice caps and salty brines, Mars seems to have had all the right ingredients for life. If water flowed on Mars billions of years ago, what happened to it? And more importantly, could life have thrived in those ancient waters? NASA's Perseverance rover is the most advanced robotic explorer humanity has ever sent to another world. Packed with cutting-edge instruments, it's designed to unravel Mars' secrets, one rock sample at a time. Jezero crater was chosen as Perseverance's landing site for a compelling reason: it's a dried-up lake bed. Around 3.5 billion years ago, this crater was filled with water, and its river delta would have been an ideal spot for microbial life to flourish. Sedimentary rocks in such environments are excellent at preserving organic material, much like fossils on Earth. Perseverance is not your average robot. This laser-based tool can detect organic compounds and map them in rocks. Helps analyze the elemental composition of Martian rocks. A groundbreaking experiment to convert Mars' carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere into breathable oxygen. One of Perseverance's early triumphs was detecting organic molecules in Martian rocks. While these molecules are not definitive proof of life, they are the building blocks, complex carbon-based compounds that life as we know it is made of. Their presence hints at Mars' potential to have supported life in the past. The discovery of organic molecules is a tantalizing clue, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's explore Mars' watery past in greater detail. Images from orbiters and rovers have revealed ancient river channels and deltas. These features suggest that Mars once had a hydrological cycle, complete with rainfall and surface runoff. Imagine rivers carving canyons, lakes teeming with microbes, and an atmosphere thick enough to support weather patterns. Perseverance has found clay minerals and sulfate salts in Jezero crater. On Earth, these materials form in the presence of water and are excellent at trapping and preserving organic compounds. This strengthens the hypothesis that Jezero was a hotspot for life billions of years ago. If Mars had oceans, where did all the water go? Scientists believe that much of it was lost to space as the planet's atmosphere thinned. Some water remains locked in polar ice caps or underground reservoirs, waiting to be discovered. Mars' transformation from a vibrant world to a frozen wasteland is a cosmic mystery. What went wrong? Mars once had a magnetic field similar to Earth's, protecting its atmosphere from solar winds. But as the planet cooled and its core solidified, the magnetic field disappeared. Without this shield, solar winds stripped away the atmosphere, leaving Mars exposed to harsh cosmic radiation. With its atmosphere gone, Mars could no longer retain heat. Surface water evaporated or froze, and the planet became the cold, dry desert we see today. Mars serves as a cautionary tale for Earth. If a planet with such potential could lose its habitability, what does that mean for our planet's future? Understanding Mars' downfall could help us prevent a similar fate for Earth. Finding organic molecules is exciting, but the holy grail of Mars exploration would be finding actual fossils, microscopic remnants of ancient Martian life. If Perseverance finds fossils, it would be the first direct evidence that life once existed beyond Earth. This would revolutionize our understanding of biology, evolution, and the uniqueness of life. Perseverance is collecting rock samples and sealing them in tubes, which a future mission will bring back to Earth. Analyzing these samples in terrestrial labs could provide definitive answers about Mars' potential for life. Bringing Martian samples back to Earth is no small feat. It will require international collaboration, advanced technology, and years of effort. But the rewards could be unimaginable. If Mars once had life, what does that mean for humanity? Discovering life on Mars would suggest that life is not unique to Earth. It could exist in many forms across the universe, from microbial life on icy moons to advanced civilizations on distant exoplanets. The discovery of life on Mars could add a new dimension to the Fermi paradox, the question of why we haven't encountered intelligent extraterrestrial life despite the high probability of its existence. Are we just not looking in the right places? A discovery on Mars would intensify the search for life elsewhere, such as on Europa, Enceladus, and beyond. These icy moons are thought to harbor subsurface oceans that could be teeming with life. Mars is not just a destination for robots, it's also the next frontier for human exploration. Establishing a human presence on Mars would be incredibly difficult. Challenges include radiation exposure, extreme cold, and the lack of a breathable atmosphere. But overcoming these obstacles could pave the way for a multi-planetary future. Some scientists dream of terraforming Mars, turning it into a habitable world. This would involve warming the planet, thickening its atmosphere, and introducing water. While this remains in the realm of science fiction for now, it's an exciting possibility. Human missions to Mars could inspire a new generation of explorers and scientists. They would also serve as a backup plan for humanity, ensuring our survival in the event of a global catastrophe. Mars is more than just a planet, it's a mirror reflecting our deepest questions about existence. Are we alone? What is our place in the cosmos? And what does the future hold for humanity? The Perseverance rover has taken us closer than ever to answering these questions. With every discovery, we're reminded that exploration is not just about science, it's about hope, curiosity, and the unyielding human spirit. Stay tuned, because the story of Mars is just beginning. And who knows? The next chapter might change everything we know about life in the universe.